Hey everyone, I'd like to give you a quick tour of the Alpine Penguin Ornament. He is so cute. I'm just cracking up at his little position here. We are going to start by assembling the body, which we'll whip stitch around the edge front to back. And then we're going to applique the belly and the face. Then we'll add the wings and the little accessories. So we've got this felt scarf and it's got little fringe on the ends, and then he's got these adorable little earmuffs on with a pipe cleaner for the top part, and then he's got these skis which curl up at the points, and he's got these little ski poles on the back with pipe cleaners and little discs made out of felt with blanket stitch. And then the whole thing is hung by this hanger loop, and we have it back here at the back of the head because that makes him hang slightly tilted so that he looks like he's going downhill. So I hope you like this guy. He's really cute. He was super fun to design, and I can't wait for you to get started.